Who just walked down there at that end of the building?
Are you able to come over here by cell 32 and double check on this inmate?
There was a shadow.
Don't whisper.
Yeah, never
Shadow.
whisper.
Sorry. There was a shadow going to the left just under the window.
Just as we begin our portal session in the main cell block building, in the tower just outside of the room that we were investigating earlier, there is an unexplained sound followed by a shadow that appears on the wall in the stairwell. As the shadow appears, the music box is triggered.